Hello friends, this is PM. In today's video, I am going to explain cells and subcells. Here you can see I have drawn the structure of an atom. The center of an atom is occupied with positively charged particles called protons and neutral neutrons. They together made the nucleus. Apart from the nucleus, there are circular paths called orbits or cells, in which the negatively charged particles, electrons, are revolved around the nucleus. The number of electrons and protons are equal in an atom. The shells or orbits are named as K, L, M and N. And the principal quantum number n for K shell is n is equal to 1, for L shell is n is equal to 2, for M shell is n is equal to 3, and for N shell is n is equal to 4. Now, each shell is again divided into subcells and they are named as S, P, D and F. Now, the K shell contains one subcell, that is S, and it is 1s. The 1 is because this subcell belongs to the first shell. Now, L shell contains two subcells S and P, and they are called 2s and 2p because they belongs to the second cell. Now, the M cell contains three subcells S, P and D, and they are called 3s, 3p and 3d because they belongs to the third shell. Now, the N shell contains four subcells S, P, D and F, and they are called 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f because they belongs to the fourth shell. Now friends, you can remember it easily if you just keep one thing in mind: the number of subcells that can be held by each shell is equal to its principal quantum number. So if you think for L shell, its principal quantum number n is equal to 2. So it contains two subcells 2s and 2p. If you think for N shell, its principal quantum number is n is equal to 4. So it contains four subcells 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f. Thank you for watching my video. Friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe the channel.